Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 8th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to continue our discussion on strings and check out a few more string functions. So I've got a file opened up here in my text editor. It's called string2.php, and in this file on line number 6 I have the opening PHP tag, on line number 17 I have the closing PHP tag, and on line number 7 I have created a string variable called msg, short form for message, and in that variable I have saved the text "have a nice day," and there is an exclamation mark at the end, right? And then on line number 8 I have an echo statement in which I'm just echoing out the contents of the variable msg. I have echoed out a break tag on line number 9, and then on line number 10 I have used a function called strlen, which is short form for string length. And what this function does is it takes in as an argument a string value, and if you have your string content in a variable, then you can just pass in the variable by typing in its name within parentheses, and it returns to you the number of characters in the string. So let's calculate the number of characters in the string. Let's count them out. So h is 1, a is 2, v is 3, e is 4, space 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 characters in the string. I'll save this file and I'll open it up in my browser. And the name of the file is string2, so I'll request for that, and there we go. We first see the string, which is "have a nice day," and then we see 16 here. And if suppose I get in a space here, save the file and refresh, now I'll see 17, because I've added a space, so that takes the count to 17 characters. The next function that I've used is on line number 12. It's called Str Underscore Replace, and what this function does is it takes in 3 arguments. The first argument is the string that you want to replace from the original string. The second argument is what you want to replace it with, and the third argument is the string from which you want this string to be replaced, right? So this is the source string, this is the part of the source string, and this is the string you want to replace this with. So let's say in this string I want to replace nice with great. What I have to do is, as the third argument I have to pass in the variable msg. As the first argument I have to pass in nice within double quotes, and this this is a string parameter, and as the second argument I have to pass in great, and this too has to be a string value, right? So the output shows that we get "have a great day" instead of "have a nice day," right? The next function that we're going to check out is str underscore repeat, and this function simply repeats a string given number of times. So let's say you want to see this string repeated 3 times. What you'll have to do is you'll have to pass in the name of the variable containing the string as the first argument, and number of times you want the string to be repeated as the second argument. So I want to see it 3 times. I'll type in 3 as the second argument, and in the output we see "have a nice day, have a nice day, have a nice day" thrice, right? And the last function that we have used in this file is substr or substring function, and this function returns to you a part of the original string. So again, this one accepts 3 arguments, and the first argument is the original string, or the variable containing the original string. So msg is passed in as the first argument. The second argument is the index position of the character from which you want the string to be segmented. So let's say you want to see this part, "a nice day." So what you'll have to do is you'll have to find out the index position of the alphabet A in the string. So as we know, the index position of the first character in any string is 0. So h has 0, a has 1, v has 2, e has 3, space has the index position 4, and a has the index position 5. So to get "a nice day," you'll have to pass in 5 as the second argument, and the last argument 16 is the number of characters that you want to see after the alphabet A, right? So in this case I pass in 16. I mean, that's for sure a value greater than the number of characters that are there after the alphabet A. So I'll save the file, and well, actually I won't have to refresh it because I haven't made any changes. We see "a nice day" in the output, right? So that's about the substring, the str underscore repeat, replace, and string length functions, and all these functions are really important. In the next tutorial we're going to check out more string functions, and probably going to wrap up our discussion on strings. And I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, take care.